Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 weeks of a pocket letter, week 15. Now, the story behind this is going to be funny. So I was going through my stickers, coming up with an idea for a pocket letter, and I ran into this. Strawberry shortcake. We all remember strawberry shortcake from our childhood. So I thought, oh, I'm going to make a strawberry shortcake pocket letter. And I didn't pay too much attention. And then when I pulled this out, and these were tattoos, so I had to put them on, I was going to put them on paper and then trim around it. Then I got looking at her. I'm thinking, this ain't my strawberry shortcake from my childhood. They really changed her. This is, see, when were these made? 2008. So definitely not my strawberry shortcake. Well, then so I'm like, I ain't using them. So I was still in the mood to do a strawberry shortcake pocket letter. So, of course, I went to Google Images, and I Googled strawberry shortcake, and it had a half a dozen more images, and I copied them, and I cut them out, and here we go. It's my strawberry shortcake pocket letter. So, first, as I talked about the trim, this is some of Donna's binding, and then some lace, and then I stitched it. And then I stitched around every square this time. And then I added a little stitching and some buttons. And there's strawberry shortcake with strawberries in a little box. And her sitting down, her looking in the mirror. And you can see the stitching. And then I got a button and some lace. And there she's waving. And I just got the strawberry shortcake, little strawberry. And then we got strawberry shortcake with her puppy. Here's a question for you, and you guys answer it in the comments. If you had a strawberry shortcake doll and all the other little dolls, did yours smell? Because mine smelled. I remember I had the strawberry shortcake, a yellow one, a blue one, and I want to say like a peach one. I wasn't in the strawberry shortcake. I got them as a Christmas gift. I do remember that. And they all smelt like strawberries and blueberries and peach and lemon. I remember lemon. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I wonder if the new ones, the new strawberry shortcake, if they have that, if they smell. Okay, back to my pocket letter. You let me know in the comments, though. Here she is with her little wagon and a strawberry in it. Her with the kitty cat and the bicycle. And as you can see, I just got some of that little lace trim I sewed. And then I took the lace and ran it down and then across. And then I took some of my green and red string and just kind of framed it. And then I had these little embellishments. I wish I had more of these. I only had 2, because if I had more, I'd have stuck some on inside. But I only had 2, so I put them on the side going down. And I just have some ribbon that I kind of folded over. And I have the red and twine in each hole. And of course, I do the back. And here's some more images I got off the Google, and it says, a little reminder to let you know I think you're special. And I just got some of the trim and ribbon and twine going across here, and lace as well. And then she's just walking with her little bucket and her strawberry patch. Here she is with her puppy, and she's got strawberries in her apron. And here she is with a platter of cookies, and then I just said strawberry shortcake and a little image. And here she's swinging, and here she is with her kitty cat, and then it's just her with her strawberry, and then here she is coming out of her strawberry house, and her little cat's right there. And of course I just got a little button and some lace and some twine, and that's the back side. So here we go. And of course you see the back side of the lace. And then you turn it over, and there we go. So like I said before, anybody can do this hashtag pocket letter PL, capital PL. Just create a piece of 9 pocket letter, share it on Wednesdays after 2 Central Standard Time, and show us what you create. I want to thank you guys for watching. This is week 15 already. And like I said, I'm pre-recording ahead of time. So you're like, oh, she's got the same nails. It's because I keep working on them and I keep loading the video so that I'm ahead. And I will be stopping after 2 more pocket letters because then I'm in September. You're watching this. I'm in June, but you're watching this in September. But I only got 2 more pocket letters in September to do, and then I'm stopping because then it'll be October, and I do not want to haul out my Halloween stuff yet. So, but I want to thank you for taking the time watching these. I've been having fun. I'm getting really creative, thinking kind of my childhood I got going on. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.